We started our journey as life partners, went on to become best friends, and today on our 25th anniversary, I can say that we have become soulmates. I say so because he's the only person in the world who knows me better than anyone else.
Our parents were good friends.
We stayed in the same society, and
My elder brother saw her, and
they sent the proposal home.
the color she was wearing,
He was he was wearing
green, no, lemon yellow.
turquoise green shirt with white stripes.
Of course, it was love at first sight. She was beautiful, and she is beautiful, so it is love at first sight.
Yes, it was love at first sight because he was not speaking much, but I found his personality to be amazing. He has a super chilled attitude towards everything, and the greatest quality about him, which I admire, is that he has a whole lot of patience. I mean, I'm the one who normally gets very hyper, but he has the patience of the whole world.
Positivity and right thinking. All time she's more supportive. These all qualities I like in her. And cooking. She cooks the dal makhani. Amazing.
The first meeting was good. He came with his family and I with mine. We hardly spoke much, but I think something clicked between the two of us. Yes. They say the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, and I've been making delicious food for him for the past 25 years. I think that's what keeps him happy. Yeah. And on a serious note, marriage is about giving rather than taking. Uh, like all the small things you do for each other on a daily basis, like me cooking his favorite dishes, he bringing home all my favorite things, um, gifting each other, remembering those special days. Like till today, we celebrate the day we met, and sort out your differences. Don't elaborate, and be ready to give rather than receive. Over a period of time, we have learned to merge our choices. Uh, his choice becomes mine, and my choice becomes his.
Yeah. I am Mr. Right, and she is Mrs. Always Right. Whatever happens, always say yes to your wife. You will be always happy.
Heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see La Vie en Rose. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world where roses bloom.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to feel the happiness hadn't been invented. But that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I met you, walk into my heart. And jubilations, I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. I was afraid that maybe who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented.
के जोर से तोड़ो दोनों।
पक्का?
पक्का। हाँ। ऐसे एक दूसरे को मारने के लिए।
जोर का झटका धीरे से।
हाँ?
जोर का झटका धीरे से।
जोर का झटका धीरे से।
2
1 2 छेद कर दिया।
And jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I left.
Who is more organized? Yeah, me. पापा का फ्लावर ना ऑलमोस्ट ऊपर गया था. Who snores the loudest? And last question, my favorite question. Who says I love you more often? Him. Oh, sweet, he expected नहीं था but. Okay, हमारे questions हो गए. आप लोग क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो.
Who makes the morning tea?
Me. Because he doesn't drink tea.
हाँ?
Because he doesn't drink tea. अपने लिए बना के खुद ही पीती हूँ.
फ्राइडे में बनाता हूँ
कभी कभी.
25 साल में कितने फ्राइडे आए?
इतने आए जितने उसके नसीब में थे.
तो थोड़ा सा सेंटी टाइप्स होने वाला है. बट हाँ, आई लाइक, हम लोग इनको एक्चुअली बागबान कपल बोलते हैं. बिकॉज जैसे बागबान मूवी में होता है ना कि अमिताभ बच्चन बिफोर ही कम्स ओनली हेमा मालिनी सेंसेस इट कि वो आने वाला है. तो इन दोनों का भी हमेशा से आई डोंट नो हाउ बट वैसा है. पापा आने वाले होंगे, मम्मी को पता है, बोलते कि दरवाजा खोल, पापा आने वाले हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग व्हाट ही वांट्स फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट शी विल आस्क हिम लेटर. बन पहले जाएगा एंड इट विल बी द सेम डिश दैट ही वांटेड. तो यू नो सम पीपल, I mean, every couple thinks that they are soulmates and they are made for each other. But my belief in my heart is that these two are genuinely, even though it is arranged marriage, but they are genuinely made for each other. And
Ameen.
I think, Ji?
Ameen.
Yes. And yeah, may God always bless them, and they are truly an inspiration to us. How, you know, you should stay together happily, compromise, sacrifice, adjust, understand each other's point of view, each other's necessities and needs, and yeah, even not just as parents but as a couple also, they're a great role model. And I love you too. Love you too.
I love you.
Thank you for this lovely surprise. It's spectacular.
Bishi, we still didn't hear you speak. Huh?
This moment couldn't have been more precious for all of us. Mom and dad celebrating their 25th wedding anniversary. The core person behind all this planning has been Honey, and they all say that, like, if you could be a fraction of what your parents could be, it's much more than a blessing. So Honey and I both expect to be at least a fraction of both of them, and really they are soulmate. I couldn't have agreed more with Honey regarding the Bagban thing. So yeah,
they have actually been calling us
wishing you a very happy.
always.
So sweet, Bishi.
मेरे को सोने जैसा सोनी मिला है.
अरे वाह वाह वाह.
क्या बात.
और हीरे जैसी बेटी.
अच्छा, सोना एंड हीरा कॉम्बिनेशन.
हाँ, तो सोने में हीरा जड़ दूंगी तो मेरी तो अंगूठी बन जाएगी ना दोनों के साथ में. मेरे बच्चों की अंगूठी बन जाएगी ना, दोनों साथ में होंगे तो हीरे के साथ में सोना,
हाँ,
यस परफेक्ट।
है ना।
yes.
चलो भगवान करे और आगे भी ऐसी खुशियां देते रहे आपको, आप दूसरों में ऐसी खुशियां बांटते रहो, बहुत अच्छी बात है। थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल।
थैंक यू
Thank you. Thank you.
चाहतों का मजा फासलों में नहीं, आ छुपा लूं तुम्हें हौसलों में कहीं। सबसे ऊपर लिखा है तेरे नाम को, ख्वाहिशों से जुड़े सिलसिलों में कहीं।
तेरी लगन में सब है दबाया, इस तरह से मुझको जीना आया। तेरी हंसी मेरी खुशी तू ही।
तुम जो आई जिंदगी में बात बन गई, इश्क मजहब इश्क मेरी जात बन गई। सपने तेरी चाहतों के, सपने तेरी चाहतों के देखती हूँ अब कई दिन है सोना और चांदी रात बन गई।
तुझसे नैना जब से मिले, तुझसे नैना जब से मिले, बन गए सिलसिले। तुझसे नैना जब से मिले, सुन खुद कोई है कोई मैंने, अचार गवाई गवाई मैंने, हाँ तुझको बसाया है धड़कन में। तू साथ है हो दिन रात है,
अगर तुम साथ हो,
तू साथ है हो दिन रात है। साया साया माही में मेरी हर बात में साथ तू है। माही में मेरे सारे हालात तू।
ना वो चेहरा नूरानी कहीं,
कहीं दिल वाली बातें भी ना, ना वो सजरी जवानी कहीं। जग घूमे आसार जैसा न कोई, जग घूमे आसार जैसा न कोई, जग घूमे आसार जैसा न। न तो हंसना रुमानी कहीं, न तो खुशबू सुहानी कहीं, न तो रंगली अदाएं देखी, न तो प्यारी सी नादानी कहीं। जैसा तू है वैसा रहना, जग घूमे थार जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थार जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थार जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थार जैसा ना कोई।
guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, baby, let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh,
The past 25 years have been an amazing journey together with the love of my life. It has been really wonderful so far, and we both happily look forward to the years to come. After so many years of blissful married life, I have reached a conclusion. We did not choose each other, the universe did.